Okay, hello everyone. So there is a photo and there is a caption. And let me check. The caption says robots and humans working together. So robots and humans working together. How do you think the robot and the humans are working together here? So what could be your guesses? And then there is another question. In what other ways do robots work with humans? Of course, to get the answer to the first one, you have a look at the details. So try to figure out where they are and what these workers are doing now, checking the robot's badge, the NASA. So there are things to consider, and then to try and guess how they are working together in this photo. Now, some other ways robots already work with humans. The first is on assembly lines in manufacturing. Here is a quick view. Another way robots already work with humans is in surgery, where robots are used by surgeons to perform operations. We have robots around the home that are used to do things such as controlling temperature or vacuum cleaning. So it is something present. Of course, something you are already familiar with in films. CGI animation is done with the help of robots. Very important in relation to robots helping disabled people, robotic limbs. Continuing to mention driverless cars, GPSs, so it is common, and robots are part of this. Considering then the help of robots in bomb disposal, and this is a bomb disposing robot. Continuing with agriculture and automation in agriculture, so robots helping with crops. And last but not least, mentioning robots that work in big warehouses, selecting items for delivery, and this is very common in many countries around the world now. So as you can see, there are a lot of other ways that robots work with humans, and this is the list that I was showing you. In this exercise there are 3 questions now about the importance of technology in our lives. The first question: how does technology help us in our everyday lives? Why does technology sometimes make mistakes? Where does the robot in the photo work? What does it do? Listen and answer the questions.
Track 60, Unit 8 Opener. It's difficult to remember what life was like before the types of modern technology we have today. Technology solves mathematical problems for us. It sends messages to friends in a second. It even cooks dinner for us. When technology makes a mistake, it's only because a human has given the wrong instructions. So, what's the next big step in technology? Robots are common in industries such as car manufacturing, and recently NASA sent the first humanoid robot into space, where it works on the International Space Station. It's called Robonaut 2, or R2. And it does all the simple or repetitive jobs so the astronauts can spend more time doing experiments. Perhaps in a few years' time, every home will have their own robot to do all the boring work around the house.
Of course, feel free to pause the video and maybe listen to it again. It is very helpful to practice listening. So in order to be able to get the right answers. Ending this now with a question that will make you think a little bit. What simple or repetitive jobs do you do at work or at school or at home? In this case, you at school or at home. And which of these jobs could you give to a robot in the future? So think about it and then let me know. Give me some feedback.